Okay, welcome po tayo po sa ating final game for tonight. Between playing white po, yan po ang Oryx basketball team versus playing green po or neon green, yan po ang Boleros. Boleros basketball team po tayo. Ito po ang liga ng mga titos and titas. Doha Friendly League, dub as the Titos and Titas League po tayo.
Ano yung pagkain natin? Yun, nakakam sa kanya yan.
Hindi, ito lang, gago.
Ito nga yung burger.
Ma, lumalap pa muna ako. Okay, winner po kanina po, Pace 21 boys. 11 po din po yan po. Congrats po sa kanila.
Ito pa bumuli niya?
Final game po tayo yun. Between, yan po ang Oryx basketball team versus, of course, Boleros.
Ito ang pagkaroon. Ako naman silang po. Kaya nga. Siya na lang tatanggap eh, no? Oo. Ito pwede point guard. Malayo sa katotohanan. Ito po. 280. O meron pang burger nito. Saan ko rin ta? Dalawa sa burger. Buy one take one yan. Ayaw mo burger dito.
Correct pa lang ka talaga?
Utangin na, tingnan mo.
Oy, sabi na rin tayo. Ano ba? Oh,
56 o.
parang ka.
56 o.
Oh,
Yan o.
sino ako na? Oh, nilwala ko. Yung kako, okay, nakuha po ng Boleros Ryan, 28. JP, 2 na kung sayang. Ruiz, the lefty. JP, nandun na Chudilax, nandun, intercepted naman. Ryan, Jason, 2 points. Sa kumakain na ako, ha? Still completed. Same ball. Labrado. Labrado, 2 points. Ryan. JP. Backside, masuk. Pasi 3 points. 5-2. JP. Oy! Grabe yung release ko ng JP.
Meron dalawa. Sabi ko.
Binato! Chudilax! Ayun, easy to Chudel. Ay, nandito ba? Chudelax! 2 points Chudelax. Idol. Nga, Carbis pare. Idol, walang kupas. Kick pass nandun si Chudelax. Nice pass, red by Chudelax. Ayun, naku, malakas nga na kay Labrado. Labrado, sablay. And 28. Pader, ang binangga. Bumangga kay Limprako, diba? Sayang ang tattoo. Sayang ang tattoo. Ayan na, Limprako, 2 points. Tabi, uy! Ang bumangga, giba. Di pwede, di pa pwede. 40. Flat 40. No good. Labrado. Labrado, Limprako, nanuna. Nanguna si Labrado. Malakas. Limprako, wala. Binato, JP. Ayan.
Sabay ka na dyan, oh. Taga-Mansura.
Pops up, 2 points.
Sabay ka na dyan, oh. Taga-Mansura.
Si Ruiz. Kasi ako na ba? Ako na bala.
Si Mandap.
Ako
Mansura.
na. O ba,
Uy.
magaling kayo mang-iwan eh.
Sino? Tatakbo yung bibigyan natin.
Wala. 3 points din ka ako. And time of call. 5 minutes po tayo. Good game sir. Bawi tayo. Ha? Bawi tayo. Good game kanina. Kailan po sa talaga. Medyo underman talaga ang underman lang talaga yung Airport United. Wala yung kanilang team tower combination kanina. Tsaka may mga player din. Pero sa good game din po sa PC21 boys po. Breaking in at the winning column at the expense of Airport United. Okay, balik po tayo sa laro po natin. 5:09 remaining. 7-11 ang score po natin yun. Pasi, inbounding. Pasi, calling the shots. Pasi, pinato. Okay. Basta nag-iingat ha. Ingat. And nandun Labrado. Nagmamadali. Labrado. Finger roll shot. Pasok. Brian, number 28. And to Pasi. Pasi again. Pasi, 77. Number 44 si Jason. Nandun na naman. Labrado muli. Labrado. And 1 play pa binigay. And 1 play given kay Labrado. Okay, time out ako by Boleros. Boleros called for timeout. Oh, Ardies. And real good. May blessings. Salamat. The brothers shooting for 2. Good game, sir. Good game. Labrado 14. Bonus free throw. Wala. Right shirt. Okay. Pass, last touch by number 21, Oryx. JP. Pops up, wala. Ryan, 2 points. Layang, number 21, traveling, sabi ni Rep King.
Shout out.
Nice steal by Layang. Labrado, 2 points. Still completed. Labrado, touch pass nako, extra pass. Labrado, Layang. Layang in, Layang. Float the shot, wala. Sometimes the extra pass skills really. Martian, shoutout po, Team Oryx, sabi ni Melvin, yung kanyang team owner. Baby, nasan ka?
Sino ang commissioner dito? Sino ang commissioner?
Si Philip. Labrado, 2 points. Ay ko. Pinaganda pa, 2 points to rin yan. Labrado, 2 points. Wala. To the last note, same ball. Oy! Again, Labrado. Labrado.
Anong oras ka uwi? Alas 12.
Oo nga, no? Hindi pa. 10:30 naman, pare. 10:30 naman. 10:30. Okay, second quarter action po tayo yun. Both teams underhanded. Pare sila po, tag-anim, tag-pito sila. Oryx inbounding.
May pasok ka bukas.
Oh, meron.
Tapos na yung ano namin doon.
Ha?
Kakalasan na.
Oh.
Yung basit.
No, basit. Hindi, meron pa rin. Hanggang ano yan, hanggang 8 daw.
Kaya nga, auto. Kakalasan na namin bukas.
Nice pass, no good. Rebound pa rin. Ito naman. Ayan, okay. Okay, si Benji. 28. Nako, lost the ball. Balik muli po tayo. Balik muli po sa Horizon Bola. Bola. Balik muli po sa Horizon Bola. Oh, sorry. Hindi no. Sensya po. Limkako, no good. Rebound, shooting axe. Ayun, Layang. Nako, traveling ka doon, boss. Hindi makakawala sa mataling Rep King yan. Balik muli po tayo yun. 8:06 remaining. Second quarter action, 9:21. Pops Okay, 0. Si Ruiz. Ruiz the lefty. 21. Nako, naipit. Nice swipe. Ryan, Benji, pops up. No good. Rebound, Chudilax. Chudilax ang rebound. Chudilax, the big guard. Oh, lost the ball. Passing. Ryan, 2 points. Okay. Again, Ruiz. Ruiz. Cutting, slicing, pinasing. Nandun ipit. Still complete again. Nandun si Layag. Nice trailing job. Chudilax. Pops up. Bang! Walang kawala kay Chudilax. Ayan na naman si Layag. Layag again. Layag. Layag. Lino, sorry. Lino pala. Not Layag. Lino. Ruiz for 3. Malakas. Ito pa rin. Pasi. Wala. Chudilax. Chudilax sa rebound. Si Chudilax. Limkako, 2 points. Binato. Still completed. Still completed nga. Ruiz again. Ruiz again. Binababa ang bola. Ruiz bring down the ball. Jason Jervis watching. Si Melvin watching also. Nice steal. Still complete by Benji. And Pasi. Pasi going. And naku. Gone. 2 points. Pasi. And time called by Oryx basketball team. Good morning po sa po dyan. Welcome po sa ating pong liga po ng mga titos and titas. Doha Friend League. Featuring the teams, of course, playing white po. Yan po ang Oryx Basketball Club or basketball team against Neon Green po. Yan po ang Daboleros. No. Still completed almost and denied. Score is 13-25. Pops up. In and out. Labrado ng rebound. Labrado. Ayun, lumawala. Ryan. Malalim. Benji. Pops up. Easy 2. Pops up. Yes, sir. Labrado 2 points. Luis. Labrado, 21. Wala. 2 points yung kako. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Source 15-29. Laman pa rin po ng 14 ng Team Oryx. 2:27 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Labrado. Wala. Si complete by Benji. Benji lang mamadali. JP. Palpal. Labrado. No good. Sayang. Bawi lang. Ayun na. 15-20 up winning to 44 remaining. Still completed. Still completed by Labrado. Labrado. Lifting violation ka doon, boy. Sabi ng referee. Padilla, driving show. Malakas. And Labrado, binomba pa sa ere. Pasok ang bola kay Labrado. Labrado 2 points. Again. Labrado 2 points. Benji, Padilla. Uy, nilabas. Out of bounds. 26 seconds remaining. Second quarter action drawing to a close. Ruiz. Nakalusot. Ruiz. Benji, binato. Jason pops up, move. Jason 20, Ryan palpal pa rin. Ryan, default shot, no good. Rebound battle won by Labrado and company. Labrado! 2 points Labrado. And dang. Halftime po tayo. Laman po ng 18 ang Team Oryx.
Let's go! Okay, green board, green! Wala na green, wala na green. Wala na green. Wala na green.
Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Nagyan po, in-invite po namin po kayo. Second game po ng Championship Revelation Basketball League po yan. 1 o'clock a.m. ha? Tanda po natin yan. Market time is 1 o'clock a.m. Monday morning at the Perling Season International School in Mansoura in Doha. Yan na, game number 2 na po yan. James Corta, boss.
Okay, ready?
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Ay, game tayo. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo yung passive. 15-30 ka pa, 9-14 remaining po. Sa ating third quarter action. Pops up Benji, no good. Rebound by number 17. 17, difficulty. Nice swipe, still completed. JP, 2 points. JP, 2 points. Kick pass. 17, Sabido, no good. JP again, naka-rebound. And to Benji. Benji, binababa ang bola. Brian Dwight, good luck sa Team Oryx. Marami sana po sir. Wala. Rebound battle. Again, JP, default shot, wala. Rebound by Limcaco to Judilax again. Judilax. The 77. And flight 77 now to Layang. Lino rather. Ito po tayo ngayon, si Labrado, binabatayan. Limcaco, no good. Judilax, malakas, no foul. Good ball. And out of bounds. Flight number 77, Judilax. Failing to make the mark. Still, balik po tayo. 7:24 remaining, third quarter action on the way. Balik po tayo, Pasi. No good. Rebound battle won by the green shirts. Utred or Benji. JP naman. JP swiped away. Ryan, naipit to Padilla. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle by Judilax. Lino. 2 points, Lino. Benji again, no good. Again, Judilax. Flight number 77, si Judilax. Rang-rebound naman. Now to Labrado. Labrado against Benji. Labrado nakalusot. Labrado. 2 points Labrado. Sweet shot by Labrado. And Benji again. 6:22 remaining. Third quarter action on the way. Benji. Pops up. Kapos. Labrado naka-rebound. Nakanako pa. Labrado again. Wala. Uy. Walang foul. Again, Padilla. JP. Benji. Ryan. Naku. In and out. Pops up Ryan, no good. 5:40 remaining. Kailan tayo Lino. Limcaco for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the green shirts. Again, Boleros. Pasi, nandun si Lino. Lino driving strong. Pasa kay Labrado. Wala. JP naman. 3-on-2 situation. JP Pasi for 3. No good. Labrado naman yung Labrado. Labrado 3-on-3 situation also. Pops up. Nope. Walang kawala. 2 points. Sabido. Okay, timeout called by the green shirts. The score right is 17-39 at 4:40 remaining. Laman po ng 18. Tama. Ay, hindi, sorry, hindi pala. Laman po ng 22 po ang Team Oryx over Boleros. Ang bilis naman ah. Ang bilis naman. Ang bilis ah. Bira, di pa ako nakinga. Di pa ako nakinga. Okay, back to the ball game at 4:40 remaining third quarter action. Laman po ng 22 ang Team Oryx over Boleros. Padilla, JP, pops up, pasok. Chudelax, Limcaco, kick pass. Labrado, pops up, no good, in and out. Pasi, naka-rebound. Pasi naka-rebound. Nice pass kay Labrado. Yaku! Ano pa yan, Labrado? Pinapasar pa yung laban. 2:45 remaining. 20-point lead ang Kalamangan. Over. Oryx over Boleros. Pasi, wala, pops up, Jason, no good, shoot lang sila, binato na naman, ayun na naman si Labrado, easy shot. All Labrado show ngayon ha, all Labrado show. Pops up, Benji, no good, rebound by Chudelax again. Chudelax na nagbaba ng bola. Chudelax. Right 77. Chudelax. Pass kay Ruiz for 3. No good. Chudelax. Nope. It's Ryan. No foul rep. Jason 44. Wala pa rin. Pasi. Uy, traveling daw, sabi referee. Traveling call. Pasi. 51 seconds remaining, third quarter action, don't draw close. Good ball, walang tawag. Pops up, Chudelax, wala. Pasi, naka-rebound. Pasi, guarded by Chudelax. Pasi, hounded by Chudelax. Jason. Benji for 3. Yun, pumasok din. Limkako. Pops up. And wala na po. Okay, that's it. Fourth quarter drawn to a close. The score is 28-43. Lamang po ng 15 ang Team Oryx over Boleros basketball team.
Back to you. Sa board, final quarter, magkakalaman. Sino ang pupunta sa final? One now. In. White. Oryx. Oryx. Oryx ball. Oryx ball. Oryx ball. Oryx ball. Okay guys, si number 10 din ang banggit niya. Number 13. Already.
Balik tayo. Lino. Naku, wala. Lino. 9:47 remaining. Final quarter. Scott, nanonood po. JP. 2 points, JP. Lino. 2 points, Lino. Balik tayo again. Labrado, ayaw. Labrado, hounded, Labrado na kulusot, Labrado to Lino, wala, no foul, Lino. Lino called for the foul. Lino, crossover move. Wala. Tabito. Limkako. Lino. Mali pinasahan. Binato. Nandun sa Sabido. Albarfar, then pops up. Patay! Pasok ang bola kay Limkako. Lino! Uy! Mali! Two points, JP. The score is 32-48. A 16-point advantage still enjoyed by Team Oryx over Boleros. Labrado pops up. Ayaw. Alfarfa, 3-second violation. Uy. Balik po tayo. 7:02 remaining.
6 minutes.
6 minutes remaining. JP naka-rebound. Benji, nagmamadali. Ruiz, nice fake by Benji, 2 points. Okay, 11-point advantage po. Hey! Pasi naka-rebound. Pasi for 3, ayaw muna. Benji thinking 3 to Pasi. Pasi for 3, bang! Don't look now. Nagtamot na po ang Oryx Basketball Club. The score is 40-48. Unting-unting gunagapang ng Boleros ang kalamangan ng Oryx. At 5:57 remaining. We'll see. We'll see.
Back to you, Rory.
Of course, happy birthday pala kay Madam Tere Urbano. Shoutout po kay Madam Tere Urbano po ng Kuwait. Happy birthday po sa iyo po dyan, Madam Tere Urbano po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. At God bless po sa inyo. Ayan ha. Balik po tayo. Ayan naman. Ruiz. Nawala. Chudelax. Driving strong. Nope. It's Labrado. Wala. Again, chance again to trim down the lead to down to 5 to 6 points. Passing for 3. Ayaw. JP, running shot. 2 points, JP. 6. 5:17 remaining. 40-48. They have to, Oryx has to do something or the bleeding will never stop. Eto na po siya. Okay, ano muna sabi Benji? Teka lang muna daw. Hip. Ano muna tayo? Hip muna. Hip muna raw. Hip. Ano tayo? Unti-unti natin to. Huwag tayo magmadali, sabi nga. Passing for 3. Nope, ayaw. Ryan. Dukot. Wala. Chudi lang sa rebound. 4 minutes remaining. Chudelax. Still completed. No, can't see the Chudelax. Limkakov. No good. And white ball. Fresh 14-second shot clock given. Again, Ryan. 2 points again. 6. 4 na lang mga kababayan ko. 4 na lang. 3:57 remaining. Labrado, take the charge. Labrado, 2 points. Labrado taking the charge. Tapilok. Sprain. Okay, si Benji mukhang na yata na twist yata yung kanyang ankle. Okay. Benji, pagpag lang yan. Kaya ba? O sige na, papalit mo na si Benji. Buong para na. Okay, the score is 4-4-53. 4-4 remaining. Salamat sa Tirin Labrado. Balik muli sa kaalim ang kalamangan ng Oryx over Boleros. Pasi, number 77. Pasi again. Daipit. JP takes a charge. Take a shot. No good. Rebound, Chudelax. Nako, Labrado. 2 points, Labrado. Ito naman, balik ka naman sa ulo kalamangan. Mukhang umaalago na naman ang Oryx. Sinakmal na ng Boleros pero mukhang nakatakas ang Oryx. There. No good. Rebound. Libran Chudelax. Chudelax. Again. 17. Labrado. Labrado takes charge. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle by JP. JP running. JP. No good. Chudelax. Nakuha yung bola. 4-on-2 situation. Ruiz. Thinking 3. Pops up. Tapos. Chudelax. Again, one more time. By Ruiz. One more time. No good. One more time again. A fresh 14-second shot clock. Awarded again. Chudelax. Nope. It's Limcaco. No good. Rebound by Ryan. Now to Jason. Pasi. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Ryan for 3. No good. Chudelax. Limcaco. Ayun. 2 points again by number 77. Time out. Okay, tamat na by Boleros. Okay, balik muli po sa 10 Kalamangan. From the down of 6 back to 10 muli po ang score po nila. Back-to-back 4 field goals po given by Oryx over the Boleros. Balik tayo. Sir, sir. Ano nangyari? May agoy.
Salamin.
Oh, bilis, baka ano. JP, palpal. Pops up. No good. A minute remaining. 1 minute 18 remaining. 4-4-54. 1 minute 14 remaining. Chudelax. Again. Ayan. Oh, 3-second violation. A minute and 5 remaining. Pops up, Pasi. No good. Ubus na. 50 seconds remaining. Chudelax. Oryx. Chudelax 2 points. Oryx looking again. Okay. Oryx looking again for win number 2. JP, wala pa rin. Sayang. JP, easy shot. 2 points. 8. 10 pala, sorry. JP, 2 points. 22 seconds remaining. Okay, safety basket na lang po tayo. I believe so. Okay, thank you very much. And of course, continue pang winning streak. I think so ng Oryx over Boleros. Okay, that's it. And thank you very much po. Chudelax. Bang! Maraming salamat po. Again, see you again po another basketball action. Next week po natin po dyan sa ating dog-friendly dub sa Titos and Titas League. Maraming salamat po. Winner po by 10 points ang Team Oryx. Thank you very much.